Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add extra space to your images. So for this we will use Photopea, which is a free alternative to Photoshop. So once you got your image, go to Image, Canvas Size, you got the width and the height. Just add the amount that you need, click OK. It will add the amount the space that you need. Now it is transparent. If you want to change the color of this space, what you can do is click on Layer and choose New Fill Layer, which is then after that Color Fill. Choose the color that you want, click OK. Now it had made a new layer, so just move the new layer underneath the picture. Now you have the picture with the extra space, and the space is colored also. You can use it as you like. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.